Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to use this watch. So I'm gonna show you the basics like navigation, how to change the watch face, how to maybe turn on and off the watch, and some other things. Okay, so first thing, if you want to wake up the screen on your watch, you can press the upper button or tap on the screen. After you wake up the screen, you can do a couple of things. You can swipe up or down on the current watch face, the home screen, to open the list of glances. This is the glances menu, and basically I would call them widgets, but for some reason Garmin calls them glances. And you have steps, heart rate and stuff like that. So you have some information here you can access, like steps, golf and stuff like that. Calendar, for example. Basically shortcuts for different apps and functions. Another thing you can do on the home screen is to press the upper button to open the workout menu. And here by default you will see the golf, but you can tap on the icon right here to open the activity menu, and here you have different activities you can start if you want to by tapping on one and then pressing the upper button. And then you can pause it by pressing the upper button, resume it. You can make a lap by pressing the lower button, and you can stop it by pausing it and then choosing to save it or discard it. Okay. To open the menu on your watch, you need to press and hold the upper button. Once you press and hold it, the menu will pop up. And here we have different shortcuts like power off, settings, do not disturb, sleep mode, lock screen, brightness and stuff like that. You can edit this menu by tapping on edit button and add more functions. By default, that's how it looks like. And if you want to open the settings, of course, you can tap on settings icon. It will open the settings, and here you have different settings on for your watch. If you open the menu and you want to go back, you can press the back button, the lower one, like this. Let's go back to watch face, like that. If you want to change the watch face, while we're on the watch face topic, press and hold the upper button, tap on settings, find the watch face option, tap on it, and here you can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you would like to use, and then tap on it to apply it. Okay, if you want to turn off the watch, you need to press and hold the upper button, tap on power off, and tap on the check mark to confirm. And if you want to turn it on, press and hold the upper button until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. Okay, what else is there? I guess one thing I could mention also is the brightness. So if you want to change the screen brightness, you can tap on the brightness option, and here you can select the screen brightness you like, and then you can press the back button. And I think that's about all when it comes to basics. And that's how you use this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.